differently abled. Lesson spotlight. Who are differently abled people? Challenge faced by differently abled people and the wonder of Braille. Here is a picture of some disabled people. Who are differently abled people? There are some people who are different from us. They are special people. The people who cannot see, hear, speak and walk like everyone else are called differently abled people. Through different technique, they are taught to overcome their disability to lead a normal life. How differently abled people lead a normal life? People with disability lead a normal life by using some special ads. Let us discuss them to understand the life of differently abled people. People who cannot see, read or write use Braille. In the Braille system, there are 6 dots which are arranged in a particular pattern to represent the different alphabets of the English language. Numbers and punctuation marks in each pattern, some dots are raised. People who use Braille fill the dots to identify the letters. Today, Braille is used to read language other than English. People also use Braille to read musical notations, computer screen and even to play chess. All of you must have heard about Helen Keller. Due to illness in the childhood, Helen could not hear, see or speak. But with the help of her teacher, Anne Sullivan, Helen learned to read and communicate. She became a graduate and traveled all over the world, spreading awareness about the differently abled people. She also wrote many books. Her autobiography is titled The Story of My Life. People who cannot speak or hear use sign language. People who cannot hear or speak learn to communicate through sign language. They are also taught lips reading so that they can understand what others are saying. That means when someone talks to them, they try to read the movement of the lips, understand the word of a sentence. People who cannot walk take the help of various walking aids like walking stick, wheelchair and crutches. With the help of the above, they can walk and do their work. People loses limb due to an accident. If a person needs a limb due to an accident, they are fitted with an artificial limb. Artificial limb help them to walk normally and do work. Polio. Polio is a disease. Children suffering from polio learn to walk with the support of calipers. If a person is vaccinated with polio vaccine, he or she will not get infected from polio virus. That is why it is important to give polio vaccine or drop to the small children till the age of 5. Now I will show you some famous personalities who never allowed their disability to come in the path of their success. Here is Nicholas James. Nicholas James is an Australian motivational speaker born without hand and leg. He is a painter, swimmer, skydiver and an author. She is Sudha Chandran. Sudha Chandran lost her legs in a road accident. She opted for an artificial foot. She is very famous dancer and television actress. Arunima Sinha. She is an Indian mountain climber and sportswoman. She lost her legs in an unfortunate train accident. She climbed Mount Everest with an artificial legs. Did you know an artificial foot, the Jaipur foot, was invented by Dr. Pramod Kumar Sethi of Jaipur. It is our responsibility to make them feel like one of us. We should never make fun of them. We should never tease or hurt them. We should always be friendly with them. We should always play with them and make them happy. We should always help them in their work if they need. All of us need encouragement and are able to perform better. When we get to hear positive and supportive words. In the same manner, even the differently abled people need encouragement and inspirational words deal with life in a positive manner. Student, disability is not a disease. We should always treat differently abled people with love and care. They are not different, they are special people. Things to remember: there are some people who cannot speak, hear, see, or walk. They are called differently abled people. Differently abled people use various methods like sign language, braille script, etc. to read and communicate with others. In old age, people become weak and frail. Differently able and aged people should be loved and respected. The chapter is over. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.